Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to present you great CRM for your mobile repair business, and everything starts from the booking page. So let's begin from here. Whatever types of devices you repair, you can enable them, and what you don't repair, you can disable them. For example, let's say that your customer can also search devices from the search bar like this. They can type just device name, so devices can load here, then they can select and continue to book. And if you just for example, when they select the smartphone, all the brands related to smartphone will load. But in case you just repair one brand, let's say that you repair only Apple, you can create a page like this, and when someone selects the smartphone, Apple will be automatically selected, and all Apple devices will load like this. And you can set brand page for any brand. There are so many brands here. After that, let's say customer want to book iPhone 13, they will enter their IMEI number, their pin code, and device not screen broken, whatever, and you can have more fields here. Then your customer can select more than one device. I will select one more device here, and let's say they have another computer to repair. So now you can see iPhone 13 and MacBook Air 15. They have entered two devices here. Now let's select the services for them, battery replacement, and now now service for MacBook. And let's go to options. Appointment options. You have several appointment options. You can disable whichever way you don't operate. Maybe you just are a home-based business and you don't need this option, or you don't need this option, you can just disable them. But I will select this one. Let's go. After that, from your available time slots, customer will select when they are going to visit you, and then they will continue to last step of entering their information. I will leave these fields empty. You can disable the fields you don't need. My phone is not working, can you please fix it? And we customers can also attach customers can also attach files here. I will just attach one, then they can complete the booking. After that, once the booking is complete, customer will receive a notification, and administrator will also receive a booking confirmation message. Okay, booking is complete. Now customer knows that this is their appointment. These are their appointment details. Customer from their customer portal can also see their appointments here, and admin can also see a technician, whoever is assigned assignment to. They all can see their assignments here. Appointments here. You can see this is the appointment scheduled. You can see that email have been arrived. This is your new booking order. This is as a customer I received, and this is as a customer I received. And you can see that this is the customer's attachment here, and these are the two devices they booked, and these are the services they are interested in. This is what customer received. You can modify this whole message. You can also make enable or disable this PDF invoice. If you don't if you don't want to attach it with job, you can just disable it. And this is booking email to administrator. Now admin store have received the estimate the booking. They can go to estimates, where they can see the new booking. So here in estimates, you can see the booking is for iPhone 13 and MacBook 13, and admin can open the estimate and check the details. Now admin will analyze what will be involved in repairing this device, and they may suggest some parts here that they need this part or they need this part. So, and now admin have made total price 168. They publish the estimate and send the estimate to customer. So customer can approve or reject the estimate. Now let's send an email to a customer for the estimate. And here you can also convert this booking to repair job if you don't want your customer to involve in it. Now customer should have received the estimate, approval, and rejection option. This is all details, that these are the parts involved, these are the services involved, and 468. If customer agree, they will just click approve estimate, and once estimate is approved, it will automatically convert to job. So you can see that thank you for approving the estimate. Yeah, the message have been told to customer. If now we refresh it, we can see that it already have been converted to a repair job. And from repair job now, let's say the device have been received by the company. They tell customer that when they can deliver it, if next service they want to mention. Now they will assign it to technician John Doe, so they can also receive the information. And here they can add pre-repair evaluation, like if power is working, display is not working, whatever. And here they can see the file customer attached, and if they want to add some expense appointment, let's see Now it's assigned to technician, so technician can receive the work order that they have to work on. A job has been assigned to you, and this is the work order technician have received, and it tells them that this is one device, this is another device, this is attachment by customer, these are the parts and labor told to customer. So technician can log in and they can work like in this job. They can log time, they can track the time if you want to use it. They can also add pre and post repair evaluation here. They can add parts, they can add extras like shipping price or whatever, and they can receive on-site payments and offline payments like upfront received, partially paid, cash 200, and they can give this receipt to customer so customer have some proof of their payment, and these are the all details on it. Once the job is complete, they can also add job expenses here. Here you can see all the expenses related to job and other business expenses. You can manage them here. Technician can also add an appointment if they are planning an appointment. Here they can see all the history of the job, and here they can send a message to customer, why are you not coming to pick device? And if they select, customer can see an email to customer. This email will be sent to customer. And you can also print repair label. Here there are so many options for repair labels. This is the simplest one. You can also print repair ticket, so you can give it to your customer, so customer can scan it anytime and they can check their job status from your website. Let me show you how. From your job status page, customer can come here. Either they can scan this QR code from their repair ticket, or they can just type their case number here and they can see all the details of their job, and they can also print job invoice. Here they can also send message to customer, I am coming to pick my device, and see this detail. This message is posted and manual log email sent to customer. You can see here as a customer. Let me see it. See manual log message, why are you not coming to pick your device? This is view details of your site. And this is how customer can post a message, and message will be sent to technician, whoever is a technician assigned to this job. And this is the repair ticket. You can also send a signature request. Automated signature requests also are available. Here you can download the PDF of the job invoice like this and you can also print invoice. You can also print thermal invoice if you do. You have a couple of options. Thermal invoice like this, so 468, and this is unpaid yet. So this is these are your options for printing large invoice or thermal invoice size printer. Okay, and here you can send a signature request to customer if you want. And automated signature request, you can go to our settings. Here your technician can log the time. Here you can see all the jobs. Technicians can log their time here, and you can add expenses or appointments here. This is the calendar for you, and here you can manage all the options. Here you can add more devices and services, and all the options like here you want to manage your currency, your business details, and default technician to assign to every job, and report and invoices, which one you want to use, and more options here, and signature for signature. If you want that on pickup, this signature request is automatically sent to customer. You can modify it and test it. Customer can sign it, and here you as an admin you can see the priority jobs. You can see upcoming appointments, and you can see all what's going on in every job here. And like this you can see the signature request. This type of URL will be sent to customer, so they can go to it. And something is wrong with this URL. Okay. See, this is the calendar where you can see all the jobs. Like you can say this is an appointment, this is job, these are estimates, and you can filter them here. You can see how many jobs are in process, how are ready or complete. Quotation, you have so many status messages here. When when a job is in quote mode, then you will also see that status here. And when a job, here you can print invoices, and there are so many options. You can duplicate a job, you can do so many things here. And you can see 2 jobs are in quote mode. Here you can manage parts, payments, reports, job reviews. You can send automated job reviews to customers from here, like when a job is ready or complete or delivered, after how many after 24 hours or after 48 hours, second notification. These type of automated review settings are available. Maintenance reminders, if you want to send a maintenance reminder after 3 months, after 6 months, or after 12 months, check this tutorial how you can set up them. If you don't want some fields for customer, or if you need more fields for customers, you can set up them here. And for example, this is the laptop Samsung. For it, you can manage repairs here. If this is not related to it, you can just disable it or set a price for it. And if this is not related to it, you may set a price for it. And there are so many options, and you should have explored it. And let me know if you have any questions in comments below. Thank you.